In today's video, I will be showing you how to take a screenshot on a MacBook. Works for a MacBook Pro and any of the older models. This is a Catalina OS, but it works for Sierra. So basically it's quite simple. Say you're scrolling and then you find something you really like this nice artwork right here. So what you do is you press down 3 keys. That is the Command, the Shift, and the number 4, these right here. And then once you get used to it, you can do it with one hand. You push it, and that will give you this little target. That will give you this target, you'll see. And you just cut out whatever you want. You make the shape of whatever you want to screenshot. And once you do that, it is screenshotted. And it should end up on your desktop, which it has right here. It'll say screenshot, and there we go. There we go. So that is how you screenshot on a MacBook.